this video we're going to look at how we can add reCAPTCHA or image verification to our newsletter subscribe form. This provides an extra layer of security to stop automated bots submitting your form. To do so, we just need to hop over to the content block on the right hand side. From here we can see we've got the reCAPTCHA menu. Just click and drag and drop it on your desired location. Okay, we can see we've got the block added and we're ready to start configuring it. So mouse over and click on the edit button. Okay, perfect. We've got the edit button open here. This service is provided by Google, so we just need to head over to Google to get our API keys and plug them into these two boxes. If we click on Get Your Key, this will launch a quick wizard to guide us through the process. Okay, so we just need to visit this website, so let's click on it. Okay, perfect. Right, okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, it says we need to give our reCAPTCHA a name. So let's hop back over to Google and let's give it a friendly name to identify it. Okay, perfect. Let's see what we've got to do next. Okay, we've got to select reCAPTCHA version 2 and I'm not a robot tick box options. So let's head back over to Google. So reCAPTCHA version 2 and I'm not a robot. There we go, that's already selected. Perfect, let's see what's next. Okay, so we need to enter the company domain name that we wish to use this form on and emailblaster.cloud as authorized records. So let's do that. Let's head back over to Google and we can see here we've got the domain section here. So let's add our first domain. Okay. Let's pretend our website's called mycompany.com. Let's add that, and also we need to add Email Blaster. Okay, that's our two domain names added. Let's see what we've got to do next. Okay, we just got to accept the reCAPTCHA terms of service and submit the form. Perfect. Okay, that's great. That's our reCAPTCHA set up, and you can see Google now providing us with some keys. We just need to copy both of these and add them onto Email Blaster. So let's head back over to our form. Let's finish the wizard because we've now got our keys. Okay, we can see here these two boxes. This is where we enter our keys. Google will give us a site key and a secret key. So let's copy in the site key. Perfect. Okay, let's now copy in the secret key. If we click out the field, we can see our reCAPTCHA has now been generated, has been activated. That's reCAPTCHA set up and ready to use. So when someone loads your form in the future, they will not be able to submit it without doing the verification stage by Google to prove I'm not a robot.